25. Summary of immaterial sphere consciousness. Immaterial sphere consciousness is fourfold when classified by way of object. When again divided by way of the wholesome, resultant, and the functional, it stands at 12 types. Guide to immaterial sphere consciousness. When classified by way of object, in relation to each type of immaterial sphere consciousness, there are two kinds of object. Alambana, to be understood. One is the object to be directly apprehended by the citta. Alambittabba. The other is the object to be transcended. Attikkamittabba. Their correlations are shown in table 1.6. The arupa jhanas differ from the rupa jhanas in several important respects. While rupa jhanas can take various objects such as different kasinas, etc., each arupa jhana apprehends just one object specific to itself. Also, the rupa jhanas differ from each other with respect to their jhana factors. The first having 5 factors, the second 4, etc. The meditator who wishes to attain the higher jhanas keeps the same object and eliminates each successively subtler factor until he reaches the 5th jhana. But to progress from the 5th rupa jhana to the 1st arupa jhana and from one arupa jhana to the next, there are no more jhana factors to be transcended. Instead, the meditator progresses by transcending each successively subtler object. The chittas of the arupa jhanas all have the same 2 jhana factors as the 5th rupa jhana, namely equanimity and one-pointedness. For this reason, the 4 rupa jhanas are sometimes spoken of as being included in the 5th rupa jhana. As chittas, they are different because they pertain to a different sphere and have different types of objects than the 5th jhana. But because as jhanas they are constituted by the same 2 jhana factors, they are sometimes considered by the teachers of Abhidhamma as modes of the 5th jhana. Collectively, 5th fine material spheres chittas and the 12 immaterial sphere chittas are designated Mahaggata Chitta. Sublime, lofty or exalted consciousness, because they are free from the hindrances and are pure, elevated, great states of mind. All the 81 types of consciousness discussed so far are termed Lokiya Chitta, mundane consciousness, because they pertain to 3 worlds: the sensuous world, Kamaloka, the fine material world, Rupaloka, and the immaterial world, Arupaloka.